In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange windows horizontal in Excel. This is a quick way to line up your Excel windows in stacked rows so you can compare data from multiple files or views without constantly switching back and forth. It's especially helpful when you're reviewing long lists, reconciling reports, or entering numbers from one sheet into another. Start by bringing your attention to the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. That's the toolbar that holds all your tabs and commands. Look for the View tab. This tab controls how your workbook and windows are displayed, so it's where we'll make our change. Click View to reveal the options related to window and layout management. Within the View tab, find the command labeled Arrange All. It usually sits in the Window or Window Management section of the ribbon. Clicking Arrange All opens a small dialog that lets you choose how Excel arranges every open window. This applies to all open Excel windows, not just the one you're currently looking at, so it's ideal when you have multiple workbooks or separate views open. In the Arrange Windows dialog, choose Horizontal. Horizontal arranges your windows in rows, one above the other, which is perfect when your focus is on columns and you want to compare the same fields across different files. For example, if you're matching account IDs or monthly totals, lining them up horizontally lets your eyes scan straight down each column without losing context. After choosing horizontal, Excel will neatly stack your windows from top to bottom, making everything visible at a glance. As you work, notice how each window keeps its own scroll, filters, and zoom level. That means you can scroll one worksheet down to row 5000 for a deep dive, while another stays at the header row for reference. If you're on a smaller screen, consider zooming out slightly in each window to reveal more rows at once. Just be sure to keep your data legible. If your windows don't appear as expected, check how many Excel windows you actually have open. Arrange All is most useful when more than one window is available. Also, keep in mind that horizontal is different from vertical or tiled. Horizontal prioritizes a top-to-bottom reading flow, which is great for tall data sets, or when you need consistent column alignment across files. That's it. Click View, click Arrange All, and choose Horizontal. With your windows stacked cleanly, you'll spend less time navigating and more time analyzing. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!